Okay, believe it or not, all those things are so important if you want to play the piano and if you want to start to practicing regularly. You might not want to practice this every day, but you will see how we will build on this small elements. So now in this section, we are going to recognize where is the C, which is here. Look at the two black keys here, right before this is a C. So two black keys right before the C. I mean before if you go up. Don't understand me wrong. Not if you go down. It's just if you go up. If you go that way on the right side. So this is the right hand. So on the right side, this is a C. Okay. So now let's find all the C's that are on the piano. Find all the C's. C, then look at the two black keys. C, the next C. And another one, and another one. Oops. And here. My fingers are faster than my camera. Okay, so now pause the video and practice the C.